Okay, we're here at Mr. Joe Weatherington's property. We're going to be replacing this wind damage tab right here. I'll be using a flat part to remove the nails. The nail went through, completely through already on that one. This is actually very high nailed right here. That's very high nailed, so now that hole is actually going to allow water to come in behind the new shingle that we're going to be installing. It's another high nail. And the hole all the way through. You have a hole the size of the nail head that's also high nailed, so water is gonna be able to go in behind the shingle that is there. The new shingle that we put. You can already start to see the granules that are falling from these shingles. They're just worn out, brittle. Replace the shingle, but you can already see, that there's some creases right here, right here, right here, even without me. But oh, if I brush off these granules, you can see that these shingles are now damaged. If I do the same thing over here on these shingles, nothing comes off. So you can see the difference of these shingles that I just repaired. So you can see that right there, this right here, that right there, this right here, and that right here. So now you have 1, 2, 3 damaged shingles.